So now that we're able to create our actor class, let's go in and take a look at how we can use this inside of our engine. Let's go to the Battle System Scripts folder and open up the actor class. Now, whenever we work with scriptable objects, we don't want to use the actual object that's inside of our asset folder. When we're inside of the Unity editor, sometimes you can corrupt the data by making changes to the scriptable object instance, and that will actually get saved back to the project. So inside of our game, we're going to want to create a clone of the actor and use that inside of our battle system. Let's scroll to the bottom of our actor class and create a new public method with a return type of t, and we're going to call this method clone and pass in t as the generic, and after our parentheses, we'll write where t : actor, and then close our method. Now we'll be able to create a clone of our actor, and if we ever extended the actor class, we can still call the same clone method and return a base actor scriptable object. Now to get started, we're going to create a new variable called clone, and we're going to set it equal to the scriptable objects class createInstanceStatic method, and here we'll pass in t for the generic. Next, we're going to want to transfer all of the fields from the current instance to the new clone. In order to do that, let's go ahead and start by typing out clone.name and setting it equal to the name field. We're going to do this for all of the fields of our class. And when we're done, let's return an instance of our clone. Now that we've copied all of the fields of our class, let's go into our random map tester and set up an area where we can set our player and monster templates. Let's scroll down to below where we define the player, create a new space, create a new header, and we'll call this actor templates. Now let's create a public field with a type actor, and we'll call this player template. We'll do the same thing for the monster. Then let's scroll down to where our private fields are, and we're going to add a new private field type actor, and we'll call this player actor. And now let's go down to where we create our new player. At the end of our create player method, let's go ahead and set the player actor class to equal the player template.clone, and we'll pass in actor as our generic class. Also, when we create our player actor, let's also reset the health so our player starts at full health. Now let's save this and go back into Unity. Inside of our actors folder, we have the new actor we created previously. Let's go ahead and rename this to player actor. We'll give it a name of player. We'll set its maximum health to 10 and its gold to 5. Then let's right-click, go to create, and make a new actor. We're going to call this actor Slime Actor, and we'll give it the name Slime. Let's set its maximum health to 5 and its gold to 5 as well. Now that we have both our player and Slime Actor, let's go into our game window, scroll down to the random map tester, and drag the two new templates onto the appropriate fields. At this point, we now have the actors ready to use inside of our battle system.